I wanted to be president when I was a kid, like John F. Kennedy. I just loved the cadence of Martin Luther King. And Reagan had that gift in front of the camera.
In the long history of the world, only a few generations have been granted the role of defending freedom in its hour of maximum danger.
But I want you to know tonight that we as a people will get to the promised land.
There is a price we will not pay. There is a point beyond which they must not advance.
It was the way they inspired people. They could make people be inspired to do good things in their life and good things for the country. The inspiration they gave me created the foundation of who and what I am. I tried to utilize the best of what they did for what I do. The courtroom is my arena. Every move I make is got a purpose to it. I'm not trying to necessarily inspire, I'm trying to persuade. But if I can persuade in a way that has a sense of inspiration as a part of it, then I've taken what I've learned from them and applied it to my craft.
I needed legal counsel. I needed somebody that was going to be very tenacious, somebody that was respected in the community, and somebody that was going to be able to fight. I would definitely recommend Joe and his firm. Joe is definitely the person you want on your team. I've seen him in deposition, I've seen him in court. He is a very strong advocate, and he will fight for you and will not back down. I've seen him take on huge corporations and win when they have 15 lawyers and it's just Joe. And it doesn't matter if it's a huge corporation or if it's a one-person operation. He treats everything the same, and he is always rooting for the underdog. He's organized, he's eloquent, he's articulate, and he just has such great results.
After the accident, I was looking for an attorney, and I received a recommendation from a judge who was a friend of mine. Joe is known as a fighter, and that's what I wanted. He took a personal interest in the case, and I felt that he was really on my side to fight for me. I would refer Joe Dawson and his law firm to anybody.
Becoming a lawyer, a trial lawyer, was my calling. I have been representing injured persons successfully, seeking damages for those injuries since 1982. And I always treat every client just as if they were a relative.
So I'm happy tonight. I'm not